Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video clip on this channel, and let's talk about how to install a solar system on a tile based roof system. So let's check the accessories which we need for this installation, and then I will show the installation process by a demonstration video. So here the first item we need for this installation is solar adjustable tile hook. Solar adjustable tile hook is very specific for tile based roof. And the next one is roofing screws, and also we need solar railings, and then solar panels, and finally mid clamps and end clamps to connect the panels to the railings. So guys, now I am going to show this process by a installation video.